In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to add video to your GetResponse email. Hi, I'm Matt, a team member here at Video Email. Video email is designed to be used by marketers, with no coding skills required. If you can copy and paste, you are all set to add video to your GetResponse emails. Here's a video email playing in a Gmail account. In this video, I'll run you through how you can create a video email, just like this example. Okay, so let's create a video email. Firstly, we'll create a new newsletter campaign in GetResponse. We then select our template. This can be either a pre-designed, saved, or blank template. We are using a pre-designed template. Having selected our template, we drag a HTML block into position within the template where we'd like our video to be featured. We are now ready to move on to creating our video content. The Viewed Video Email platform is where we'll create the content for our video email. Viewed offers a free trial account. This provides the opportunity to take the platform for a test drive with no commitment. Once signed into Viewed, we select New Video and then Upload Video. Next, we add a name for our video. We now upload our video from our computer by either dragging it into the platform or selecting a file from our folders. We now enter the width of our video at 600. Next, we select Upload Video. Our video will now be uploaded to Viewed. This will take up to a couple of minutes depending on the size of the video file. We have now successfully uploaded our video. Next, we choose how we are going to use the video. We select the Send with Other Emailing Software option. Viewed now creates a snippet of HTML. We scroll to the foot of this page where we select Copy Code. It is this code which we are going to use to add our video content to our template. We return to GetResponse, where we paste the HTML snippet into the HTML pane. We then click the area by the side of the template. Our video is shown in position within our template. We select Preview to view our video email on desktop and mobile. We can now proceed to complete our campaign setup, ready for testing and sending. Thanks for watching. For details of the Viewed free trial, scan the QR code or use the link shown here.